Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to change default photo viewer on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So firstly you just need to right click on your start menu, click on settings. After open settings window you just need to click on apps from your left side. On your right side you will get our default apps option, so click on that. Now on this list you have to select here photos. So here it is, as you can see, photos. So click on that. Now here you will get all type of format like 3GP, AVI, MP4, JPEG and JPG. So I will change the photo viewer for my JPEG file and JPG file. So from here you just need to click on there. And after that select your photo viewer. So in my case I will select here default photo viewer and click on OK. Now for JPG I will select here photos and click on OK. And after that you are done. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.